Guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing sorrel cupcakes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So in a bowl, I'm going to go in with 2 eggs, and be sure to just remove the eye from the egg. The eye is that white attachment to the yolk, alright? Then I'm going to go in with some brown sugar. You guys can always go ahead and use granulated sugar. And I'm also going in with some melted butter, alright? Combine all of that together until it is nice and creamy, and all of the butter and the other ingredients is nicely combined. All right, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Guys, remember to be creative in the kitchen. Remember to be you in the kitchen and just utilize whatever you have at home. All right, I also have some sorrel puree that I'm going to use today. I have this sorrel puree from about a year and a half now. I just go ahead and just blend up the sorrel, and then I just add some rum to it and some fruit wine. All right, I went ahead and had some of my mixed fruits that I have from Christmas, and that's what I'm going to use. All right, so I'm going to go in with about 5 tablespoons to 6 tablespoons of the sorrel puree. And as I said before, I have this sorrel puree about a year and a half now. I made some sorrel drink and I didn't throw away the puree, and that's what I'm using today. All right, I add some rum over it and some fruit wine just to preserve it. All right, so again, you want to just combine everything together nicely, and you always want to ensure that all of your ingredients is nicely combined together. All right, I went ahead already and combined all of the dry ingredients together, and the dry ingredients consist of 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I also added some salt, some nutmeg, and some cinnamon powder. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, and then we're going to combine everything together nicely. All right, be sure to go ahead and line your cupcake pan with your cupcake papers. Line it properly, and also be sure to just turn on your stove, and I'm gonna bake this for roughly about 35 minutes at 250 degrees. All right, guys, some person's oven is a little bit faster than some. All right, because I saw a comment the other day that says that the degrees that I gave to you, it wasn't right, and I'm like, listen, everybody oven is different. Mine might be a little bit faster than yours. All right, but always try to check your baked products. If you're going to bake anything or chicken or anything, be sure to just check it. All right, because as I said, some person's oven tend to go faster than some. All right, again, you don't want any raw flour, so be sure to just combine everything together nicely. All right, and just in case you want to add some more sorrel puree, it is totally up to you. All right, so once that is nicely combined, I'm gonna go in and add some of my mixed spice, and the mixed spice come in a liquid form. For some reason I cannot get the mixed spice in powder. I'm not sure what is happening, if they stop making it, but that's okay. I have the liquid one, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add some vanilla. Adding this at this stage is optional. You could add it before, all right, but I decided to just add it now. And again, combine everything together nicely. All right, and guys, look at the color. The color is so rich and nice. Listen, and it tastes so good. So now we are going to take up the batter and we are going to pour it. And you don't want to fill up these cupcake tins too much. You want to just half them, all right? And if you make any spill, just be sure to just use a piece of paper towel to just clean up before you put it in the oven, all right? So again, try not to fill your cupcake tin too much. I suggest that you go ahead and add just half, all right? Just half it. And always remember that your cupcake will rise, all right? So again, we are going to bake this for roughly about 35 minutes at 250 degrees, all right? So in a few minutes, I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like, and we're also going to test one of them to see what the inside looks like. All right, guys, stay tuned. I know you all are excited, and this, you can always go ahead and prepare it this summer for your family. They will love it, all right? So this is it, guys, the final product of my sorrel cupcakes. I hope you guys enjoy this one. So we are going to go ahead and just serve it up, and as I said earlier, we are going to go ahead and just look at the inside of one of them, all right? So this is the final product, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to turn on your post notification bell. So this one wasn't really cool, but listen,